If LibreOffice is showing an error has occurred message and you're stuck unable to open, save, or edit your files properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to work as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes and guides. First, if you already have a document open and it won't save, do not close LibreOffice yet. The most important thing is to protect your work first. Go to File, then choose Save As. Instead of saving to the same location, pick a completely different folder. For example, save it to your desktop, Downloads folder, or even a USB flash drive if you have one connected. Also, slightly change the file name so LibreOffice treats it like a new save. Then try saving again. If that works, great, your work is secure. But if it still fails, the next best move is to copy everything before anything else goes wrong. Press Ctrl-A to select all the text, then Ctrl-C to copy it. Open a basic text editor like Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac, and paste everything there immediately. This gives you a quick backup so you do not lose your content while troubleshooting the error. Now, let's move on to the most common fix, which is resetting a corrupted LibreOffice user profile. A damaged profile or broken configuration cache is one of the biggest reasons for generic error messages like this. To do that, open LibreOffice and go to the top menu, then click Help and select Restart in Safe Mode. When the prompt appears, click Restart. LibreOffice will open a safe mode window with recovery options. Here, check the box for Reset to Factory Settings, then choose Reset Entire User Profile. This step clears out corrupted settings that may be preventing LibreOffice from launching or working correctly. After that, click Apply Changes and Restart. LibreOffice will rebuild the profile automatically, and in many cases, that fixes the error right away. If you still see the same message, the next thing to check is whether LibreOffice has a stuck background process running from a previous crash. Sometimes the app does not close properly, and a hidden process keeps blocking new sessions from starting. On Windows, press Ctrl-Shift-ESC to open Task Manager. Look through the list for anything named soffice.bin or LibreOffice. If you find one, right-click it and choose End Task. If there are multiple LibreOffice-related processes, end all of them. Once they are fully closed, try opening LibreOffice again and see if the error is gone. This step is especially useful if the program was frozen or crashed earlier and never fully shut down. At this point, in most cases, LibreOffice should be working again. If the file opens normally, take a moment to save your work and test a few basic actions like typing, saving, and reopening the document. If the issue is fixed, you may want to keep using LibreOffice as normal and continue with your project. To recap, the main fixes are: save your work safely first, reset the user profile through safe mode, and end any stuck background processes in Task Manager. These are the fastest and safest ways to handle the LibreOffice an error has occurred problem without losing your files. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.